Hey kids, it's me, Carly. I'm so excited because the other day I watched the movie Tangled and I had a brilliant idea that we should draw a character from Tangled. I think we should draw Pascal the Chameleon that Rapunzel has. We're going to start by drawing a line going up like this. Pascal is a chameleon, so he has kind of a rigid top of his head. Like that. Now let's draw his eye. Circle like that. Then you're going to do a rectangle in the middle, surrounded by a black circle. Just like that. Then one more circle around it. Great! Now let's add his eyelid. Now let's add the bump above his eyelid. And a little dot right here for where his nose goes. He's looking up. And let's do the other eye. Right here, we're going to draw a circle. We're going to do the same steps. We're going to draw our rectangle surrounded by our black, and then surrounded again by our light. Then we're going to draw his bottom of his eye. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and draw his smile. He's never really smiling, but he has a little grin on his face. Just like that. Now let's curve down, just like that. Pascal is looking so great. Now let's go in and add the side of his body. And let's go add his scales. Now let's add the curly tail. Super easy, just go all the way in, and then we're gonna go and attach it on the outside. Just like that. Now let's go ahead and add his legs. Now for his belly and the leg behind him. Now for this leg, start with a V, go down, curve out, do one of the back toes. That's going to be the toe behind him. Now let's do this foot. We already got one toe, so let's attach it right here. And do the other wrinkles and the other toes. Pascal looks so cute. I've got my Prismacolor markers here, and I'm going to go ahead and start by coloring the area around Pascal's mouth yellow, and then we'll draw the rest of him green. We're going to go in with a light green first to blend. Go back in with the yellow a little bit more. The cool thing about Prismacolor markers is that you can blend them like this, which will look awesome. Now we're going to go in with the darker green for the rest of his face. When we get right there, we'll switch to the other color and blend it. Now let's go back and blend the two colors. Go back and blend. Now I'm going to go find a few other places to make yellow. Now, let's go with the light green. Now let's go in with the dark green. Okay, so I'm going back with the light green now. And I'm gonna go blend it just by layering the green. Now let's go back in with the yellow in a few areas. Great. Now I'm gonna go with the light green. I love the way it looks when you blend the two colors together. It looks so incredible. Now I'm going to go over all of his scales in yellow. Now we're going to go ahead and do his eyes. Pascal's eyes are kind of a brown orange. So I'm going to start with a brown orange around the edge like this. And then I'm going to do a really bright orange in the middle. I think that would make his eyes look incredible. That looks really great. I'm so happy with how he turned out and how the colors turned out that I'm going to go add some more orange in him, as well as maybe some more yellow. If you didn't already know this, chameleons can change colors, so really you could do Pascal whatever color you want. I think Pascal looks beautiful and so handsome. I'm sure that Rapunzel would be so happy with how our drawing turned out. Thanks for joining us today.
Fantastic job, Carly. Pascal looks perfect and so real. Be sure to like our videos and subscribe to our channel if you'd like to see more of the coloring cats. We'll cat you later. Bye!